Hey everybody, I'm going to do a similar thing that I did yesterday where I did an E major style arpeggio, done also with hammer-ons. So we're going to do hammer-ons in the key of A, and there's going to be a drone. That's the important thing. The low A string is the drone. So basically what you have is a movement going up the scale in A, in arpeggios. Loosely in A, let's put it that way. All right, so the first thing you would do is do this. So there's a... So I'm doing a pull off on the A string. It's finger number 3 on fret number 4. Okay. So my finger is getting removed from the 4th fret. Okay, so then finger number 1 covers the 2nd fret D and G strings. So you're going. Next one, you're going to have finger number 2 on the 5th fret doing a pull off. So finger number 2, pull off. And again, I'm covering strings D and G on the 4th fret with my first finger. Then we're going to do the same thing and move it up to the 7th fret so that the 2nd finger is on, going to do a pull off on the 7th fret. Then you're going to do a pull off with your 3rd finger, your ring finger, on the 9th fret. Finger number 1 is going to cover the 7th fret on the D and the G strings. Okay, then you're going to move it up 2 frets, and the same thing. Finger number 3 is now on the, going to do a pull off on the 11th fret. Okay, and your finger number 1 is covering the D and G strings again, but it's moved up now to the 9th fret. Okay, next you're going to move so that your finger number 2 is on the 12th fret, and you're going to do a pull off. So finger number 1 is going to give you the D and G strings on the 11th fret. Then you're going to move up a fret, and finger number 3 is going to do a pull off on the 14th fret. And this time, finger number 1 is on the 12th fret of the D string, and finger number 2 is on the 13th fret of the G string. And you're still going to do your pull off. And the last one is just an octave above your first one. Finger number 3 does a pull off on the 16th fret, and you're going to cover the D and the G string with finger number 1 on the 14th fret. So what you're going to be able to work up to is something like this. And you would then reverse it and go downhill. So what's really going on here is this is your root, the A chord. Then the drone, the low A, you're droning your A, and then your middle finger is hitting the D note, And above that you have the F sharp and the B, which is really a B minor. So this is kind of like a weird B minor 7. Then when you move it up to here, you're going to have a C sharp minor with the drone. Doesn't really interfere. C sharp minor with an A is kind of odd sounding. Alright, then when you move it up to here, you have the fourth, which is D major, then E major with an A on the bottom, then F sharp minor with an A on the bottom, and the next one is E7 with an A on the bottom, and then A major again, an octave higher. So there's different ways of doing it. You could pick each note, like I just did, or you could do it with the hammer-ons, or hammer-offs, whatever you call it. So there you have it. I hope that was exciting. Thanks for watching.